Hi viewers, welcome to Rasavinsuvai. Today I am going to make Akki Roti. For that I have taken 2.5 cup of rice flour, 2 small onions finely chopped, half carrot grated, and lot of coriander leaves. Then to get a nutty flavor I have added some sesame seeds. I have also added some cumin seeds and hing powder. Now mixing all these items together, I have already posted one recipe of Akki Roti. In that I have used normal water. The Akki Roti is to be served hot, otherwise it will become slightly hard to eat. You can serve it along with sambar chutney. Today I am going to add some hot water in this so that it will be slightly soft when you eat. So I am going to try this method. I mixed all these items together. Now after adding the hot water, salt also I have added. After adding the hot water, I will make a dough of this. Don't add the water, all the water at a time. Just add it little by little and make a dough of this. I have added 2 and 3/4 cup of water in this. Now I will cover and keep it for 10 minutes. Then we will knead this, and if it is required we will add water. Otherwise we will knead and then make the Akki Roti. I have taken a piece of banana leaf. If you don't have a banana leaf, you can take a white cloth like this and make the roti on top of that and then transfer it onto the tawa. In case if you don't have all these things, then you can directly put the batter on the tawa and spread it with your hand by dipping your hand in the water and then spread it. I have added green chilli paste in the dough. If you want, you can chop the green chilli and put it. My children don't like it if I put the chopped green chilli, so I have added the green chilli paste in it. Now we can grease the banana leaf and make the roti on top of it, and then transfer it onto the hot tawa and cook from both the sides by applying oil or ghee as you wish, and serve hot with chutney or sambar. The tawa is hot. I have greased the banana leaf. I have made balls out of this and kept it after kneading the dough. Now I'll dip my hand in the water and spread the roti on the banana leaf like this. Put hole like this for cooking the same evenly. Now take out the leaf and flip it over on the tawa and slowly take out the leaf. I have greased the tawa also. Repeat the process for the remaining dough. And keep the dough covered. Apply little water on top of it so that this will not become dry. With your hand or keep a cloth, wet cloth, and just spread it on top of the roti. Like that, you cook all the rotis. When the top portion is dried up, you can flip it over. It's time to flip over. You can apply oil, then flip over. It's cooked nicely. Like that, cook the other side also till the brown spots appears. I made coconut chutney here. Coconut, coriander, green chilli, ginger, salt, little bit of cumin seeds, hing powder. If you want, you can put the tadka, otherwise you can use it as it is.